Microwave air fryer combo sounds perfect until you realize most of these appliances cut corners. The real issue nobody talks about: they promise speed and versatility, but half the time one function works great and the other barely functions. So today, we're cutting through the hype to show you which ones actually deliver on both. Product number 1, Emeril Lagasse French Door Combo. This Emeril Lagasse model caught my eye because it's not trying to be a microwave first. It's really an air fryer toaster oven with extra cooking modes. At $216, it sits in the mid to high price range, and with over 10,000 sold recently, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 26-quart capacity means you can cook meals for 4-6 people at once. Think a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound chicken. The dual-speed fan ensures even crisping, and the French doors with interior lighting make it easy to monitor food without opening and losing heat. It also has 24 cooking functions, including dehydrate and broil, which gives you way more flexibility than a standard microwave. Plus, the stainless steel build looks clean on any countertop. Now, some people complained about the lack of actual microwave functionality, and that's a fair point. This isn't a true microwave. It doesn't reheat leftovers or boil water like a traditional microwave would. It's really a convection oven with air frying. So if you're expecting to zap a cup of coffee or defrost frozen veggies in seconds, this won't do that. But if you're replacing your toaster oven and want air frying power, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you cook family meals regularly and want one appliance to handle roasting, baking, and crisping. Skip this one if you need fast reheating or true microwave speed. At this price, it's a great value for the capacity and versatility. Product number 2, Toshiba Smart Sensor Microwave. Now, if the last one left you wanting real microwave power, this Toshiba model brings serious sensor tech to the table. Priced accessibly and with 9,000 plus sold, it's a no-frills countertop microwave that focuses on doing one thing really well: reheating and cooking with precision. If you want smart, hands-off cooking that adjusts automatically so your food isn't overcooked or cold in the middle, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The smart humidity sensor detects steam as your food cooks and automatically adjusts time and power. That means no more guessing, your rice won't dry out and your leftovers won't be rubbery. It also has 12 auto menus for common foods like pizza and veggies, plus 10 power levels and a mute function, great for late-night snacks when everyone's asleep. The 1.2 cubic feet capacity fits most plates and bowls, and the easy clean interior saves you scrubbing time. Now, some people pointed out it doesn't have air frying at all, and that's the trade-off. This is a microwave, not a combo. There's no convection or crisping function, so if you're looking to air fry wings or bake cookies, you're out of luck. But if your main goal is fast, even reheating with zero guesswork, it excels. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, smart microwave for daily use, especially if you hate cold spots or overcooked edges. Skip this one if you actually need air frying. It's not a combo, but as a microwave, it's one of the best. Product number 3, Cuisinart 8-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Alright, that was a solid microwave, but if you want real combo power, air frying and baking in one, this Cuisinart model steps up. At $239, it's on the pricier side, but with 6,000 plus sold, it's a trusted name in kitchen appliances. If you want restaurant-style crispy food without the oil and the ability to bake or broil, this delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1800-watt power and air advantage tech use a top-mounted fan and heater to circulate hot air evenly, giving you crispy wings, golden toast, and even baked pizza. It can handle 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, enough for a family dinner. Plus, the stainless steel interior is easy to wipe down. Now, some users mentioned it takes up more counter space than expected and doesn't include a rotisserie function like some competitors. Also, it's not a microwave, so no quick reheating. But honestly, that's not what it's built for. It's an air fryer toaster oven, and it nails that role. This is perfect for you if you want crispy, healthy meals and don't mind using the stove or microwave for reheating. Skip this one if you need true microwave speed. For baking and air frying, it's a top-tier choice. Product number 4, Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer. Now, if you're on a budget but still want air frying, dehydrating, and rotisserie in one, this Chefman model surprised me. At just $102, it's the most affordable on this list, and with 4,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction. If you want a family-sized air fryer with multiple cooking modes without spending over $200, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10-liter capacity lets you cook meals for 4 or 5 people. Think a whole chicken on the rotisserie or a big batch of fries. The 17 preset programs make it beginner-friendly and the touchscreen is responsive. It also includes 3 racks, a rotisserie spit, and a drip tray, so you're not buying extras later. The large window and interior light help you check progress without opening the door. Now, some buyers said the build feels a bit plasticky and the temperature control isn't as precise as higher-end models. Also, it's not a microwave, no reheating function. But for the price, the features are impressive. This is perfect for you if you're meal prepping or feeding a family on a budget. Skip this one if you need precise baking or true microwave function. For the price, it's a solid entry-level combo. Product number 5, Ninja 8-in-1 Toaster Oven. Finally, the Ninja SB151 brings smart design and real combo power. At $191, it's mid-range, and with 4,000 plus sold, it's a favorite for small kitchens. If you want a space-saving oven that air fries, bakes, and even dehydrates, plus folds up when not in use, this is a game changer. Oven Crisp technology uses infrared heating and rapid air circulation for even cooking, and it can handle up to 4 pounds of food, enough for a family meal. It also has 8 functions, including pizza and bagel modes, and is 80% more energy efficient than a full oven. Now, some users noted it's not a microwave, so no quick reheating, and the crumb tray can be tricky to clean. But the performance for air frying and baking is excellent. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and space efficiency. Skip this one if you need microwave speed. For small kitchens, it's a winner. So which one's best? If you want true microwave speed, go with the Toshiba. For large family meals and air frying, the Emerald or Cuisinart are top picks. On a budget, Chefman delivers. And if space is tight, Ninja's flip-up design is brilliant. Remember, most combo units aren't real microwaves. Choose based on what you actually cook most. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below.